I think plastic bottles are very great because they can recycle, and also we can put something warm or cold. I think it's a great invention.
No. Airplanes are much more good invention because they can fly around the sky. Otherwise, we can't go anywhere without the airplanes or boats.
But plastic bottles are better because we use it a lot. And airplanes, there are more people who don't use it. But plastic bottles, everyone can use it, and it's easy to buy. It's everywhere in the world.
But plastic bottles, when people throw into the water, it'll make animals that live in the water makes disease, and they will die sometimes.
But
so the airplanes fly. Well, everyone can ride on it and go somewhere. So we can go farther places.
But plastic bottles, if we harm the animal, that's a bad thing. But maybe people will people will learn that it's bad to harm animals because of the PET bottle. So I think still plastic bottles are good.
But the plastic bottles, they have sometimes airplanes, they can fly. But the plastic bottles, when someone throws it goes somewhere, and where is it? And then we need to search again or buy things. But airplanes, they're not gonna be swarmed and fall down. There's not so much times. But PET bottles, if we throw it, it flies away and bye-bye, we need to buy again.
Then maybe we can put a little helicopter on it. And we can make it where to fly.
But when it flies, when it goes too high and goes somewhere in the wind, but the airplane it can go any way. That even the wind is going this way, the airplane can go front, and if the wind comes this way, it will go front.
But maybe if we put a very, very strong helicopter on the...
But helicopters, they fly away and we bye-bye!
But maybe it can be a strong wind, and airplanes might crash sometimes if the pilot is not very good.
Can we do
But
yeah.
But airplanes, PET bottles, where you go, we don't know. But airplanes, it's only gonna go to the airport, so it can't go to anywhere else.
But airplane sometimes go in the sea and dive.
But we can have light. No, we can have some lightsaber, life jacket, so we can float. So it can be a good one too.
But maybe if you think that way, maybe we can put life jacket on a PET bottle too. Plastic bottle too.
But if someone ate that or a big fish eat that, it's not good or it's very dirty. But if you put a life jacket, we can't put it. The air can't go inside that small thing like that.
But if animals will eat it, maybe we can make the plastic bottle very huge so that maybe
bigger sharks. It eats it.
Maybe it can be bigger than the shark or whale. So big.
Then people can drink.
We can use a machine that we can.
How do we make that machine?
With a cardboard or something, we can there is a standing machine for the iPhone, like smartphones. So we can put that PET bottle on there, the big
Plastic
one,
bottle.
plastic bottle on there, and we can do like this and drink.
But maybe small kids can't read.
Maybe so for small kids we can use a little cup and we can pour it and
But
drink.
it'll spill because it's the place for the water to come in is too big, so it
Maybe we can get a little bit. Yeah, that's one point.
So, do you agree with Lena's idea? And Lena, do you agree with Mimi's idea?
No,
No.
I can go still with this fight.
Yeah.
Oh, you wanna
I can go still with this fight.
you wanna change the topic, or you wanna
Yeah,
fight with
I wanna
the
change topic.
You wanna change topic? Okay, fight too. Like not fight, but
Debating?
debating too.
Mm.
Say shake hands. It was a good debate.